In this film, we will show how to install face gauges and a Euro dash. We'll begin by removing the cluster from the vehicle. The tools that we need for this job are a Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, small pliers, and a utility knife. Using your flathead screwdriver, push down the tabs that connect the lens to the cluster, pop this out, and set it aside. Repeat the same process to remove the bezel. Now the cluster is ready for you to begin installing your face gauges. The kit of the face gauges includes 3 face plates, small washers, and strips of 2-sided tape. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws and set them aside, making sure to keep them separated as they may be of different lengths. Each piece of the gauges has protective film on front and back. Use your utility knife to remove these. Now the gauges are ready for the adhesive to be applied. We'll use 1 strip for each of the smaller pieces and 2 for the larger one in the middle. Using your utility knife, cut each strip of tape to fit the gauges. Then remove the backing from each piece and apply it. Next, use the pliers to pull out the needle stoppers. At this point, you're ready to install the face gauges. It's very important to make sure that the markings on the gauge faces are perfectly aligned with the markings on the cluster. At this point, the hardest part of the installation is behind us. Now you're ready to put the screws back in place. Use one of the included washers for each screw and make sure that the flat side of the washer is facing the gauges. Don't forget to put the needle stoppers back in place. At the beginning of the installation, we remove 3 pieces from the cluster. We'll only be putting back the 2 bezel pieces, and the lens will be left out because we're replacing it with the Euro dash. The Euro dash has the same tab placements as the lens, so it snaps in very easily. Here's the end product. If you don't feel as though you can do this yourself, please advise a professional shop.